Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. For my old subscribers, I appreciate each and every one of you. You know already that you rock. Then for my new subscribers, especially subscribers that came from Ozi Tochi, I see you all. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do suya recipe. So these are the ingredients I will be using. I've already soaked the suya stick, which is also known as skewers, for 10 minutes. I will also be using vegetable oil. I will also be using 1 tomato for garnishing, half onion and lettuce. I also have this suya spice, the one you sprinkle on it after grading it. So you will see how I will use it at the end. I will also be using half Maggi, because I noticed that after using only this suya spice I bought from Aboki in Nigeria, it doesn't taste good. Then the main ingredients is the meat stripes. So let's get started. The first thing I will do is to put in the Maggi or the half knorr cube. You can as well use salt. Just sprinkle some salt on it and mix it well. This will take your suya to another level after grilling it. If your suya doesn't taste nice after grilling it, try and put Maggi or some salt inside the suya spice. Now I will make sure that I combine everything together like so. Please, if you are watching up to this extent and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. After combining it, I will start filing in the meat on the skewers as you can see me doing in the video. This is the thickness I cut the meat. The meat has to be very slim so you can get that suya texture. File in as many as you want at a time. You can file in 2, you can file in 3 or 4. If you are still watching up to this extent, please thumb up the video for me. Thank you so much for doing that. After filing in the meat, it should be looking like this. Then the next thing you do is to dip it inside the suya spice and coat it thoroughly with it. After coating it with the suya spice, I will keep it and continue with the rest of the meat. Then when I'm done doing the rest of the meat, we move on to the next stage. After putting on the meat on the skewers, this is what I got. So the next thing I will be doing now is to sprinkle some vegetable oil on it. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Make sure you sprinkle it very well, both front and back of the meat. Once you are done sprinkling the oil, place it on top of your oven rack, as you can see me doing below, or you can place it anyhow you want, but on top of your oven rack. Now I'm done placing it on my oven rack. I will pop it inside my oven and grill it. After 20 minutes, my suya is as good as ready. This is how it's looking so far. So the next thing I will be doing now is to garnish it with this suya spice. Then after that, I will put in these vegetables you are seeing. But the main vegetable for suya is cabbage. But I don't have cabbage, that's why I'm using lettuce. So guys, here comes the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are so amazing. Please remember to share out the video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. If you also need the recipe of how to prepare suya spice, write it on the comment section. If I get like 20 people requesting for it, I will do the video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye and see you in my next video. God bless you.